Good afternoon, students. So, yesterday I have told you about two religions, that is Hinduism and Islam. And today I am going to tell you about remaining religions. First one is Christianity. Jesus Christ is the founder of this religion, and people worship Jesus Christ only, and the people are known as Christians. Religion Christianity. Bible is their holy book. They follow the path and teachings of the Bible. People go to church to worship and to offer prayers. Christmas is their main festival, which is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. They celebrate this festival by cutting cake and many other things. Another religion is Buddhism. Gautam Buddha founded this religion. People follow Buddha's teaching only. Many monasteries and Buddhist temples are there. Tripitakas is the sacred Buddhist text. Mahabodhi temple in Gaya and many famous Buddhist temples are there in which Buddhist people go to worship. Buddha Purnima is their main festival celebrated by Buddhists. Another religion is Jainism. Bardhaman Mahavira founded this religion. Jainism. People are known as Jains. It teaches brotherhood and non-violence. Agamas is the holy text of Jains. Dilwara temple and many other temples are famous Jain temple in India. In Gujarat, in Rajasthan and in other areas you will find that many Jain temples. Mahamastak Abhisheka is the main festival of Jains. This is the main festival celebrated by Jains. Another religion is Zoroastrianism. It is one of the famous religion of India and other countries also. People follow the path showed by Zoroaster. Zoroaster is the Zoroastrianist god. They believe in one god, Ahura Mazda. Means only one, believe in single god. Fire symbol, their main symbol is fire, and they worship in fire temples only, which represents the divine. And after that, last is Sikhism. It is the most famous religion of India. Guru Nanak Dev is the founder of this religion. Sikhs are very brave, as you know. They in Gurudwaras always the langar is going on, in which they offer food for all the people from the same kitchen, and many famous Gurudwaras are there. Guru Granth Sahib is their holy book. People go to Gurudwaras to offer prayers, to worship. Guru Purab is the most important festival of Sikhs. So, in this chapter, what you have seen, that in India there is unity in diversity. All the religions in India live peacefully with harmoniously. So, thank you for today. Keep revising.